Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you that how you can use Chat GPT for free. So you have to go to Google Chrome and you have to type forefront.ai. So click on that. So yes, you now it has come to this website. You have to sign up for free. So sign up. It is taking some time. It usually takes some times. So this page will be open, but in your case this page will not be open because I have already signed up. So you have to sign up. It will take to some other pages. You have to go to enter your email and sign up, and then this page will come. So on the above you can see that it is model GPT 3.5. You have to change it to GPT 4 model. Just because you have to leave the persona, and now we type our message. So we type that what kind of message. So we type it, what is political system, what is political system of USA, and you have to type. So as you can see, this is GPT-4. It is writing the content. I am doing this because I want to show you that this is actually GPT-4 model, not GPT-3 or any other model. Another thing about this page is that it takes a very long time to write his content, and secondly it takes some times to ask another question. I think I have write a very long question. So you can see at the end you can see GPT-4. So if I write another question, so uh, tell me about algorithm. So it will, so this kind of so okay, I hope that this will be helpful. Thank you.